Hello everyone, myself Juveria Siddiqa, lecturer in zoology. Today in this module I am going to discuss about the topic from the Health Acts, that is the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act in the 1971. So what is this Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act? That is the 1971, an act to provide for the termination of certain pregnancies by registered medical practitioners and for matters connected therewith and incidental thereto. So this is the like a definition why it is a important, and see, it is an act when it is a useful when any incidental termination is required by only a medical practitioner. It is done by only medical practitioners and legislated by the Parliament on August 10th in the year of 1971. Legislated means it is a get approval from the government, from the Parliament House in the year of 1971, and the act was enforced nationwide from the April 1st 1972, adopted by Kashmir and the Mizoram in the year of 1980. So why it is come to be in force? Why? Because the persons are doing the illegal terminations of the pregnancy. To avoid the illegal terminations of the pregnancy from the government approval, a act is created or act is produced by the legislated only. What is this MTP Act and what are the rules and the regulations? MTP Act is an act of Parliament providing an overview of safe abortions and delegating authority to central and the state government. So it is useful for the, or it is instructed to follow the safe abortions, which may also come into the notice of the health, which may keep into the notice of the health of mother, and rules are framed by the central government but must be ratified by each house of parliament. Regulations are framed by the state government and related to the issues involving opinions, reporting and maintaining secrecy. Means it has to be maintained secret by this total procedure. What are the legal framework? MTP Act, what are the rules and what are the legal framework, means what are the legal points are there which has to be followed. MTP Act specifies the indications for legal terminations. So before going to understand this, what we have to understand? We have to understand the termination. Termination means here according to the pregnancies, if a person is want to be remove their feticide from their developing embryo or from their womb, then that process is called as the termination, and this is the happen only when in the legal method is the permission of doing this legally only, then only it is a possible. Who can terminate? The place where it to be terminated. Last but most important constant requirement, it needs the consent of the parents or the person who is going to be ready for this termination of the pregnancy. What are the indications? See here, when the pregnancy can be terminated means in which situation. It is not done by all the situation. It has to be done only some circumstances and only some period of time. In which period of time? What is the age of the feticide? How many week it has to be completed? That is the total process is there. That may be some guidance are there. They have to follow such guidance, then only the termination is the possible. That is, the continuation of the pregnancy is a risk of to the life of a pregnant woman, or it can be cause grave injury to her physical and the mental health. Substantial risk that the child, if born, would be seriously handicapped due to the physical or the mental abnormalities. Pregnancy caused by rape, or failure of contraceptives in the married women. So when this pregnancy can be done, it may be done in the case when the whatever the contraceptives are there, whatever the pills are there to avoid the pregnancies, if they are not doing their proper function, it may be fail. Then in such case there may be a risk of handling the pregnancy. Then a person is want to be removed, then only the permission is required. Who can terminate the pregnancy? A registered medical practitioner, that is the RMP doctor, or who has a recognized medical qualification as defined in Class B of Section 2 of Indian Medical Council Act 1956. So according to that Indian Medical Council, some acts are there regarding to the health. So in this subclass, that is the Class B Section 2, according to this Class B and the Section 2, a medical practitioner person only allowed to do such type of terminations whose name is registered in the state medical register. Means the person has to be get any registration in the medical register of the state, who has training experience as per MTP rules. Means they have the total knowledge regarding to the termination of this type of pregnancies. And what is the experience of this RMP doctor? They have to be up to 12 weeks of gestation only. Means when it is a allow or to permit the feticide or the embryo in the womb of mother, that is only from the 12th week. After the 12th week they are not allowed to, or after the 20 week they are not allowed to remove or terminate the pregnancies. Before the commencement of an act, experience minimum 3 years. Means the doctor who is removing the pregnancy, they have to be in the up to the 12th week of the gestation. Then what should be the experience of the doctor? They have to be experience of minimum 3 years. Who is registered in the state medical register of the 6th month of house surgeon, who already completed the house surgeon training, and that is they are in the gynecology department, means related to the ladies diagnosis or ladies treatment, or experience of working in the department of gynecology in the 1 year. For the 1 year they have to be work. Means this is the requirement of a doctor who is going to terminate the pregnancy. A practitioner who has assisted RMP in 25 cases of medical termination of pregnancies, at least 5 of which have been performed independently in a hospital established or maintained by government or training institute approved for the purpose of the government. So this is the some experience basis of the doctor who is going to complete of this total process. And what is the experience? That if they want to remove the 20 week of the gestation, PG degree or diploma in OBG. Means they are to be PG doctor. Completed 6th month as a house surgeon in OBG department. And then at least 1 year experience in the department of OBG at any hospital that has all the facilities. Means total it is a related to the mother and child care treatment department, where pregnancy can be terminated. So it is also a question where we have to go for this termination, that is the hospitals established or maintained by the government. For the termination, by the permission of government legal authorities, by following all the rule and regulation, the place which is a government place, that is a hospital, where we have to go for do this termination or the pregnancy. A place approved by government or DLC constituted by the government. And then what is the concern? As we know, before going to do, they have to take the consent from the patient, that is in the form of like form C. They give one form by the permission, by total consenting of the patients only, then they are going to do this total process. So that is the one form is there, that form is called as like a form C. Only the consent of a woman is required. If age is less than 18 years or a mentally ill patient, consent of guardian is required. Above 18 years there is no problem, but below the person or the lady who is below the 18 years, their guardians have to be take care of this total permission, which is in the form of like a form C. They have to give the consent. What happen if the violation of the act is take place? Any person doing the MTP and not be an RMP can be punished with a rigorous imprisonment for the 2 to 7 years. So here the prison imprisonment is done for the person for the 2 to 7 years. If the termination at a place which is not approved by can be punished 2 to 7 years, means they have to do in the government place only. The owner of the unapproved place performing termination can also be punished with rigorous imprisonment, that is the 2 to 7 years. What are the legal abortion means? The termination done at a place approved under the act, that is the legal method. Abortion means removal of the or abort of a feticide from the mother, that is the process, but it is done by the legal method, so that's why it is called as the legal abortions. Termination done at a place approved under the act, termination done for the conditions and within the gestation prescribed the act, termination done by a medical practitioner approved by the act, other requirements of the rules and regulation are compiled with, then only we can call it as a legal abortion. By doing the legal abortion in the safe manner, one can save the child life of the mother as well as it also save the physical as the mental health of the mother or a woman. By this we are end up with this topic.